Solo. We're cooking today. Guess. It is carbonara. Ang tawag nito? Mushroom. By Jolly Beauty ba yan? By Jollies. So, just wait for the result. So, malapit na tayo matapos. So, check natin yung bacon. Crispy na siya, guys. Tapos, yung susunod na lulutuin namin is yung mushroom. Ayan.
Yes! Next is the mushroom.
Bango.
Bango, no? Nestle cream.
Cubes, tatlo to.
Tatansahin natin yung pag kulang yung lasa, lalagyan natin ng Knorr. So, hi guys. So, lalagyan natin siya ng bacon. Kakalat natin. Sprinkles and around the world. Yummy, right? Yummy. Then, magtitira tayo para sa plating. Wow! Plating! Plating! Cheers. So, yan. Kalat natin yan, guys. Masarap kasi madaming bacon. So, dinamihan ko talaga ng bacon. Guys, nagugas ako ng kamay. Yan, pwede na yan. So, nagtira tayo ng onte para sa plating natin. Ay. Plating natin. Sarap niya. So, tikman natin yung sauce. Sakto na. Nung nilagyan din ng bacon. Kasi yung bacon, medyo maalat-alat din. So, parang nagdadagdag siya ng lasa. So, we rate niya.
Ano ba yan?
What about the key to the rush? How did you get it?
I've had it for a while. She gave it to me so I could park there if I ever needed to.
Did you give Salma the key to the garage?
Why?
I did, but
Rate.
I was afraid of telling him no. Oh no. You're afraid of Salva, afraid of Arturo, of everybody. But you played all of them. Salva is
Kinakabahan ka ba, Mitz? Parang kinakabahan si Mitz.
He's been in love with me for I don't know how
Wait,
long.
ano?
Ever since I started at the hospital.
Ano lang sa milk.
But I don't see him that way.
Sana sinubos na natin yun.
Kinulang sa milk, ang dami na yun.
Yun lang. Medyo ka, ano, medyo... Kaya mas gusto ko naman yung sunod-sunod. Kaya okay lang. Thank you.
Sa'yo yan. Bye.
Thank you. Yun pala yung hinahanap kong lasa. Yung kulang.
Cast a spell on them. We've got
Parang
something.
sa
Give me
cheese.
that.
Di ba meron sa ref?
Wala na.
Yun pala yun.
Bye, guys.
Handa yun.
So, we're done, guys. Sarap. Lang. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.